hashtag is important in any social post you're making, either YouTube, either TikTok, either Facebook. Hashtag is very, very important. What is hashtag? Hashtag is making your social post more discoverable to people that are looking at that particular topic that you're talking about, because you're using that hashtag. So if you're not using that hashtag, you may be limited in some areas, and you may not be searchable, or you may not be discoverable because you're not using that particular hashtag. So that hashtag is very important. And ask yourself, are you using the right hashtag? Your video now, you may be talking about viral video, how to go viral, and your hashtag you are using as your first three in your description is YouTube recommendation, is YouTube growth, is YouTube tips. Then you'll now be talking of viral, you'll now be talking of how to go viral and all like that. You will not be discoverable because you are using the wrong hashtag at the first three. Your first three hashtag must be very relatable to whatever topic you're talking about. Viral video, how to go viral, viral this must be your first three hashtag. Your first three hashtag before you are putting your words, your description, before you're putting it must be relatable to what you're doing. So hashtag is very, very important. Most of us just say, I don't use hashtag in my videos. Yes, you don't use hashtag. Mostly it applies to big YouTubers. If you're a big YouTuber, you don't need hashtag, because why? You have dedicated subscribers. So anytime your video pops up, your subscribers are here to watch your videos for free without you using any hashtag. And from there, the YouTube algorithm is saying this video is going viral, a lot of people are liking it, so they push it out more. And if I want to watch your viral video, for example, is what you're talking about, I may be interested, I may click. If I'm not, I pass it or watch it later. Somebody else do the same thing. But you cannot compare yourself to someone that has a dedicated subscriber or is a big YouTuber that doesn't use hashtag. You ask, this person is not using hashtag, he needs to have video. Definitely I should not use hashtag. No, you are a small YouTuber, or you're growing that you don't even have enough views on your video, so you need hashtag to make you discoverable, to make you known to people that are looking for that particular topic you're talking about. Because for example, you're saying you're talking about viral video. Do you know how many people that are talking about that viral video and you do not use hashtag to discover yourself? So hashtag is very important, except you're a big YouTuber. If you're a big YouTuber, you don't need hashtag. That's why you see those big YouTubers, they don't use hashtag, because they have dedicated subscribers. When their video pops up, they want to watch their videos, whether they like it or not, or whether they are interested or not, but they want to watch it because they are dedicated for this person rather. That is it. So don't forget that hashtag is very, very important. Without hashtag, if you don't put hashtag, if YouTube don't want us to use hashtag, they will not input it there for us to use hashtag. And lastly, for the hashtag that I will talk about, if you're using more than 15, please stop, because it's as good as you're not using any hashtag. That's why most of you use more than 18 or 20 hashtag and you feel like, I'm not still known, because you're using more than 15. And YouTube says if you're using more than 15, it shows as if you're using nothing, because it will the algorithm will cancel it, or what it will cancel it, that this is not. So they are saying you as you're not using any hashtag, so you cannot be discoverable. Yes, so use like 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 11, 8, 7, but don't exceed it to more than 15, so it will help you. And lastly, that I want to add again, if you're putting your hashtag, your first three must be very relatable to the topic you're talking about. It must be very relatable. You can use Meta AI, you can use ChatGPT to get those most used search words or most used hashtags for that particular topic you're talking about. So you will input it at the first, second, third. That is what YouTube will pick the most. That is for that. Then now let's go to tags. What is tags? Tags is a keyword that is attached to pieces of information, like all what I've been saying now, that I've been talking about viral, I've been talking about hashtag, I've been talking about subscribers, I've been talking about every pieces of information. I will just gather it and put in my tag, like, oh, subscribers need more of hashtag, so subscribers are dedicated to their big YouTubers, or subscribe, just anything, or viral video now just pieces of information and every other thing, that in case people are thinking of what to, it just in case of people are missing some, confused in some certain areas, or are typing something similar to what I'm saying, so that we get it rightly. That is the work of tags. And if you're having issues with those, how to get tags on this your particular video you're talking about, just use rapid tags. Rapid tags will help you get a lot of, will help you smoothing your tags according to your topic, or the, or whatever you're talking about. So tags and hashtag is very, 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 very important. Those keywords are very important, that allow the YouTube algorithm know that, oh, this is what this person is talking about, and this is what this video is actually talking about. That is the work of ads, that is the work of tags and hashtags. So if you're a YouTuber and you're not using tags on your video, please start using tags on your videos and hashtags on your video, and use it correct. And if you know you've not used tags, hashtags on your video as a small YouTuber, and you're still having viral video, please put it in the comment section, so let's learn how you went about it, so we can learn from each other. Please, let's connect to each other and let's grow together. See you in my next video. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notification when my video pops up.